Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Daily English Lines. I am Lee. I am your teacher today. I am your friend today. How are you? Are you happy? Are you tired? I hope you are happy. I am very happy to be here with you. Today, we have a very important topic. It is a useful topic. Today, we will learn about directions. Imagine this. You are in a new city. Maybe you are in New York. Maybe you are in London. You are walking on the street. You look around. You do not know where you are. You are lost. Oh no, you think. Where is the hotel? Where is the train station? Do not worry. Today, we will learn exactly what to say. We will learn how to ask for help. We will learn how to understand the answers. Are you ready? Let's start. Sound effect. Gentle, happy music fades out. Lee. First, let's learn 3 important words. These are action words. We call them verbs. The first phrase is go straight. Listen to me. Go straight. Go straight. This means you walk forward. You do not turn. You just walk, walk, walk. You go forward. Repeat after me. Go straight. Go straight. Pause for 3 seconds. Very good. The second phrase is turn left. Imagine your left hand, the hand on the side of your heart. You must turn that way. Listen. Turn left. Say it with me. Turn left. One more time. Turn left. The third phrase is turn right. This is the other side. Imagine your right hand. You must turn that way. Listen. Turn right. Say it with me. Turn right. Excellent. So we have 3 moves. 1, go straight. 2, turn left. 3, turn right. Let's practice with a small game. Close your eyes, just for a moment. Imagine you are walking. I say, go straight. You walk forward in your mind. I say, stop. Turn left. Did you turn left? Good. I say, go straight. I say, stop. Turn right. Okay, open your eyes. Great job. These are the basic moves. Sound effect, a page turning. Now, we need to talk about places. When you are lost, you are usually looking for a specific place. Here are 4 common places in a city. Number 1, the bank. Usually, this is where you get money, the bank. Number 2, the supermarket. This is where you buy food, the supermarket. Number 3, the park. This is where you see trees and grass, the park. Number 4, the station. This is where you catch a train or a bus, the station. Let's say the names again. Bank, supermarket, park, station. Okay, now how do we ask the question? You are on the street, you see a person, you want to ask for the bank. What do you say? To be polite, we always start with excuse me. Listen, excuse me. It sounds like excuse me. Say it, excuse me. This is polite. It is nice. After you say excuse me, you ask your question. The question is, where is the? Listen, where is the? Say it. Where is the? Let's put it together. Excuse me, where is the bank? Try it. Excuse me, where is the supermarket? Try it. Excuse me, where is the station? Try it. Very good. This is a perfect sentence. It is simple, it is clear, everyone will understand you. Now, imagine you ask the question, excuse me, where is the bank? The person answers you. You need to listen to the answer. They might use some special words to tell you where the building is. Let's learn 3 position words. Word number 1, next to. This means they are neighbors. They are side by side. The bank is next to the park. Listen, next to. Say it, next to. Word number 2, between. This means the building is in the middle. Imagine a sandwich. The bread is on the outside. The cheese is in the middle. The cheese is between the bread. So the bank is between the park and the supermarket. Listen, between. Say it, between. Word number 3, across from. This means you are face to face. Imagine you are on one side of the street, your friend is on the other side of the street. You are looking at each other. You are across from your friend. The bank is across from the station. Listen, across from. Say it, across from. Okay, take a deep breath, breathe in, and breathe out. You are doing a great job. English is not easy, but you are learning fast. Let's listen to a story. I am in London. I want to find a coffee shop. I see a woman on the street. I walk up to her. Listen to our conversation. Excuse me. Yes? Where is the coffee shop? Oh, it is very close. Go straight, then turn right at the corner. The coffee shop is next to the big hotel. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Did you understand? Let's listen again. I will speak slowly. The woman said, go straight, so I walk forward. She said, turn right at the corner, so at the corner of the street I turn right. She said, the coffee shop is next to the big hotel, so I look for a big hotel. It is its neighbor. It is next to the hotel. Let's try another one. This time, I want to find the post office. I see a man. Excuse me, where is the post office? Man, go straight, go past the bank, turn left. The post office is across from the park. Okay, let's think about this. First, go straight. Second, go past the bank. This means walk in front of the bank, but do not stop. Keep walking. Third, turn left. Fourth, look for the park. The post office is across from the park. Now, it is your turn to practice. I will give you directions. You listen. Tell me where we are. Ready? Imagine you are standing at the train station. I tell you, go straight, walk for 1 minute, turn left, stop. You are in front of a place where you buy food. It is next to the bank. Where are you? Think about it. You buy food here. It is next to the bank. Did you say the supermarket? If you said supermarket, you are correct. Excellent work. Let's try one more. You are at the supermarket. I tell you, go straight, turn right, walk past the school. It is a place with many trees and grass. It is across from the school. Where are you? Think about it. Trees, grass, across from the school. Did you say the park? Yes, it is the park. You found it. Directions are fun because they are like a puzzle. You listen to the pieces and you put them together. If you do not understand the person, it is okay. You can say, please say that again. Listen, please say that again. Or you can say, please speak slowly. Listen, please speak slowly. People are usually very nice. They want to help you. Let's review what we learned today. We learned a lot. We learned action words, go straight, turn left, turn right. We learned how to ask the question, excuse me, where is the... We learned position words, next to, side by side, between, in the middle, across from, face to face. And we learned that it is okay to ask for help. I want you to practice this week. When you are walking in your city, practice in your head. Walk down the street and think, I am going straight. Turn a corner and think, I am turning left. Look at a shop and think, that shop is next to the bank. Small practice every day makes you very strong in English. You did a wonderful job today. Thank you for listening to Easy English with Lee. I am very proud of you. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and do not worry about making mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. I will see you in the next episode. Have a beautiful day. Goodbye.